Hello my dolly dearies and welcome to another video. So today I am doing a mermaid doll. As all of you know, it's Mermay, so I decided to host a mermaid collaboration over on Instagram. Make sure to go and check out all of the lovely artists who joined. We had Lone Star Dove, Dolls by Bowie, Hannah's Art and Music, Completely Unqualified, and I'm Trash JK. There will be links to every single one of their socials down in the description below, so make sure to go and check them out. For this doll, I decided that I was going to be a bit lazy and use another mermaid doll as a base instead of sculpting my own tail. So I found this Gil, I think his name is. I'm very bad with Monster High names. Without further ado, let's go on with the video. As you can see, he's already got his mermaid tail, but he had some kind of sporty tattoos that we needed to get rid of. So I took my sandpaper and started trying to sand them all away. This took a lot longer than expected and was a lot more difficult. So I decided I'll just paint over them later, since his entire body is going to be painted. But I first took my acetone to remove all of his face paint. I dipped my cotton swab in 100% acetone and gently swiped all of the paint off of his face. I also found out that the acetone doesn't melt the fins on the top of the head, but it does take off the paint, which is a useful tip if anybody else wants to customize this Gil. I'm so sorry, I don't know what his name is. But with everything removed, we can start on his body paint. It is going to be a long time doing this, isn't it? I started by painting out a basic kind of white shape on his torso. Most fish have a pale underbelly, so I wanted to try and mimic that on my doll. I think that's the white underbelly base shape looking pretty good. I then went in with some bright orange to add some really popping vibrance to it, trying to weave it amongst the kind of sculpted muscles of his abdomen and kind of make it look very natural with the shape of his body. I also started on some complex patterns that I drew out for their head, fin and tail. This is the concept art I used. It was a quick painting that I did a while ago, and I thought that it would work absolutely perfectly for this doll. I think this paint orange base looks pretty good. But with the orange done, we can go in with the other colours. Namely, the yellow. I'm going to be using yellow to line all of the parts in orange. I'm going to be painting an outline around all of the little dots, segments and everything. That's everything outlined. And with his body painting all finished up and looking pretty nice, we can move on to the face. Due to this doll being mostly acrylic, I decided I wanted to stick with the acrylic theme, but not entirely. I took out my gouache paints and decided to use those for the face. I haven't really done too many full acrylic or gouache face-ups, so this was quite fun to try out, although very, very difficult. I definitely prefer pencils. But that's his face done, and I think it looks super cute. The only thing left is to add some shimmer to his eyes. To do this, I took the teeniest tiniest bit of glue and stroked it across the purple bit of his eyes. I didn't want it to go on too thick, so it is the thinnest layer you can do. Then, I took another paintbrush to scoop up some of the purple dust. And then I gently tapped it over the glue on his eyes. With the shimmer to his eyes done, all that's left is his hair. I had some old purple hair that I salvaged from a wig and thought would suit him perfectly. I painted his scalp red and then went in with my Mod Podge to glue in the hair. His beautiful long luscious locks. For a final detail, I thought I'd add on some tiny bits of gold fishnet to kind of look like the fishnets that you find in the ocean, even though they're not meant to be there, for fashion. I think that it looks super cool. But with that, he's done. He's so cool, and I'm very happy with how he turned out. I love his vibrant colours and tropical fish feel. Make sure to go out and check out the other artists and leave your suggestions for a name in the comment below. I have absolutely no idea what to name him. But thank you guys all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and maybe check out another video while you're here. But until then, I shall see you all in the next video. Bye!